If you've heard about the Xumo Stream Box but aren't sure what it does, this video is for you. In this quick video, I'll explain what the Xumo Stream Box is, its key features, how to set it up, and who it's best for. What is Xumo Stream Box? The Xumo Stream Box is a 4K streaming device available from Spectrum and Xfinity. It includes popular streaming apps, free live TV, and the Spectrum TV or Xfinity Stream app for eligible customers. Main features: all your favorite apps. The Xumo Stream Box comes with access to popular streaming apps, including Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, Hulu, Peacock, YouTube, Max. Just sign in with your subscriptions and start watching. Voice search. Use the included voice remote to search for movies, TV shows, or apps by simply speaking. Xumo searches across supported apps, so you don't have to open each one individually. Free live TV. With the built-in Xumo Play app, you get 300+ free live TV channels, thousands of free on-demand movies, news, sports, kids, and entertainment content. No subscription is required for Xumo Play. How to set up Xumo Stream Box. Connect the Xumo Stream Box to your TV and plug it into power. Select the correct HDMI input and connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Pair the voice remote by following the on-screen instructions. Sign in to your streaming apps or Xfinity account. Limitations. Before you buy, keep these points in mind. An internet connection is required. Premium streaming services require separate subscriptions. It doesn't include X1 Cloud DVR or traditional cable TV features. Is it worth it? If you want an affordable 4K streaming device with voice search, streaming apps, and free live TV, the Xumo Stream Box is a great choice for both Spectrum and Xfinity customers. To learn more, check out our full guide linked in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech videos.